You will be amazed how easy it is to reduce your feeling of your pain. Now I want you please focus on your pain. Just go to that spot of your body and consciously focus on that spot. It's okay to focus on it. I know it's not easy for you, but make it easy for you. You are going to the spot that you feel as painful spot. Become aware of it. For some of you it's a neck. For somebody it's the shoulders. For someone it's somewhere in the leg. For someone it's a lower back pain. For someone it's a headache. Just be there for a moment. Allow yourself to stay in that feeling. Now, I want you please to allow your pain to be. I know it's not easy for you, but instead of fighting your pain, instead of trying to get rid of it, you are allowing it to be. Welcome your pain. Maybe you never did that before, but now try. Trust me. You are going to reduce your pain easily. Welcome your pain. Let it be without fighting. Now, just stay there for a moment. Soon you will be able to reduce it. I want you please close your eyes and keep them closed during whole session. You are going to relax every muscle of your body with my help. Relax your eyelids. Relax your cheeks. Relax your lips. Relax your neck muscles. Relax your shoulders. Unwind them. Your breathing is becoming easy breathing, even breathing. Now relax every muscle of your arms. Your arms are becoming heavy and warm. With each breath you take, relax every muscle of your arms. It's easy for you. If you are struggling to relax your muscles, just stop squeezing your muscles and they will become relaxed by itself, naturally. Notice how better you feel. You are becoming sleepy. That's good. Nothing is disturbing you now. Nothing is bothering you now. Only my voice is important, nothing else. Now please focus your attention on your abdominal area muscles and relax them. Your belly muscles are becoming relaxed. and warm. That's right. You are safe and protected. You are becoming more sleepy, more relaxed. With each my word, you are becoming more sleepy, more relaxed, pleasantly relaxed. Your breathing is even and deep, deep breathing. Now please relax your back muscles. All muscles around your spinal cord are getting relaxed. Limp, loose. That's right. Stop squeezing your muscles. They are becoming relaxed by themselves, easily, naturally. Your mind is becoming quiet and clear. If you are struggling to stop thinking, let your thinking go away right now. You are becoming more sleepy. Allow yourself to relax more easily, naturally. Now please focus your attention on your legs and relax all muscles of your legs. Your legs are becoming pleasantly heavy and warm. Pleasantly heavy and warm. Every muscle of your body is becoming relaxed, limp, loose. Your breathing is perfect. Your mind is quiet and clear. Nothing is disturbing you now. You are perfectly relaxed. You are sleeping. Only my voice is important, nothing else. Right now, listen to me very carefully. I want you please focus on your painful emotion, on your painful feeling located right there where your pain is now. We are going to reduce your pain effectively. You and me are working together as a team. Your successful team. All you have to do, follow my instructions. Trust me. I'm going to start counting from 10 to 1. As I count, your painful sensation, your emotion of pain will be fading away. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Notice how better you feel already. Your pain is reduced. Yes, that's right. For some of you, pain is reduced at least 25%. For some of you, it's 50%. If you are still struggling, it's okay. Your pain is reduced anyway. Now, let's do it again, and this time you will notice you are reducing your pain easily. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your pain is reduced more than before. Notice you've done it with my guidance, but you have done it. And now just relax. Allow yourself to feel better. And now I'm going to tell you some truth. You are able to reduce your pain easily. All you have to do to let your pain go away. And you can easily relax your body the way we've done together in the beginning of this session. Then you can say silently, my pain is going away, and suggest to yourself again and again, keep repeating to yourself, my pain is going away, and you will be surprised that your pain is getting reduced indeed. And now let's work together again. I want you to focus on that spot where your pain was or still is. I want you to relax more. Your subconscious mind is controlling your pain. Your pain is a reaction of your body to your emotional tension. The mind-body connection is real. And now, let's go to your emotional tension. I know for some of you it's prohibited because you are not happy with something, but believe me, you can easily reduce your emotional tension. Let's do it together. We are the team, successful team. You have no more desire to keep your negative emotions. Instead, you're going to focus your mind on good emotions, emotions of love, forgiveness, emotions of happiness, gratitude, emotions of harmony. And guess what? From now on and always, you are able to maintain your good feeling. Please repeat after me. I allow myself to feel good. Notice how better you feel. And now I'm asking your subconscious mind to accept all my suggestions for your benefits. Here are my positive suggestions for you. You are becoming stronger, healthier, happier. Day by day you feel better and better. Every night you sleep better and better. You believe in yourself. You trust yourself. You keep moving forward toward your goals. You choose to feel good. Nothing is going to disturb you or make you feel unhappy. Nothing. You are the master of yourself. You keep your mind closed to all negative influences, especially negative news from internet news. No, you are no longer interested in them. You are becoming master of yourself. Your immune system becomes stronger and stronger. Your mind is quiet and clear, peaceful and optimistic. You believe in yourself. You don't have to suffer anymore. You choose to stay healthy, wealthy, happy, strong and successful during this pandemic and after it. You are perfectly safe and protected. You are happy and successful now. And you may be wondering what is going on with your pain. Let's check it out. I want you please to go to that spot where your pain was or still is, maybe 10%. Focus on it. Welcome it. Let it be. Would you like to let it go? Go ahead and let it go now. Your pain will never be the same. It can come back later, maybe in a couple days, but it will be much, much smaller. And you are going to reduce it yourself because you know what to do, you know how to relax your body and how to take care of your mind. And I'm telling you, you are perfectly fine, you are safe and protected. Your potential is unlimited. Believe in yourself. Trust your body. Trust your brain. You are the master of yourself. Keep your mind closed to all negative influences. Direct your mind toward your goals. You are able to enjoy your life without any pain. You are perfectly fine. And now I'm going to count from 1 to 5. When I get to 5, you will open your eyes. You will become fully alert, wide awake. You will feel 100 times better than ever before. You will be smiling. 1. Slowly wake up, everyone. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Open your eyes, please. Wake up. Feeling great. How are you feeling? Very good.